Hello everyone, it's Kivia with KCU Designs. I have 4 Christmas DIYs for you today, so let's jump right in. First up is this mason jar lantern. Start by laying your pallet planks on a flat surface. I purchased these from Walmart. The next step should be gluing your jars to the center of your board using E6000 glue. I started with gluing my sawtooth hangers first, but you don't want to do that because they did not sit flat when I flipped them over and it caused the jars to dry at a slant. Make sure you let this sit for a couple of hours or possibly overnight before hanging them. Once your jars are secure, add your fairy lights to the inside of the jars. Insert your flowers and let your battery pack sit on the rim to easily access the switch. Hang it with proper hardware and you're done. Next, we have this mason jar crate centerpiece. I purchased this crate from Walmart as well. I spray painted mine with this aged gray before proceeding. Just make sure you always use spray paint in a well-ventilated area. After it dried, I placed my jars inside and added my flowers, along with this joy ornament to the center. I went one step further and added these fairy lights around each jar, and you're done. Next up is this bottle brush tree crate display. I couldn't find a crate long enough to fit all of them, so I found these 2 crates at Walmart and decided to glue them together. Just put your E6000 on before using your hot glue, since the hot glue dries faster. All of these trees came from Walmart, prices ranging from 84 cents to $2. Arrange your trees as you see fit. I'm using my favorite fairy lights once again. I'll link where you can purchase them in the description box below. Wrap them around your trees and you're done. This one was definitely my favorite. Next, we have this reindeer display. I got this idea from one of my favorite YouTubers, Sarah Jane with Chic on the Cheap. Start with 3 glass candle holders that you can find at the Dollar Tree. You'll also need 9 reindeer. Find the right placement and hot glue them to the mirrors. This comes off pretty easy, so it's okay if you don't have the right placement. I removed these several times. Repeat this for each reindeer. Add Rudolph's nose if you prefer. I'm using a holly berry with hot glue. That completes this look. All materials for each item will be listed in the description box below. Let me know which one was your favorite and if you decide to give these a try. I hope you were inspired. If you want more videos like this, please like and share. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. Until next time, friends, happy crafting.